Why did we go to this whole mission team organizational model and challenge everybody to be on at least one mission team? Why did we do this? Well, there's a number of reasons. As we've been around for a few years, we discovered we do have a lot of strengths as a church, but at the same time, we uncovered and viewed, a few weaknesses, and they were things like spiritual depth, helping people to deepen their faith. We had a problem with people having margin in their lives, especially people who are leading and were bearing the brunt of a lot of the volunteerism around here. The problem of complexity. We do a lot of things that can come off like there's just a blizzard of information going around. We also have the problem of connection. We move a lot of people through the front doors, but we move more than we're comfortable with out the back door oftentimes. And finally, we have a problem with consistency. Our attendance and giving patterns are kind of erratic. So as we looked at all of that and we looked at the fundamental challenge of what Jesus said to do, we're called to make disciples. In other words, people who are becoming more and more like Jesus. We thought, we need to do something where the goal is to ensure that no matter where someone goes in the church, whether he goes outside into someone's living room to do a Bible study, or he goes inside and say runs sound on a worship team or passes out bulletins to people coming in the door, what we really want more than any other thing is for every single team experience to be a discipling experience. That's really the idea. Because we have a lot of people volunteer, and it's not to say that our team experience and group experiences are not as enriching as they could be, but at the same time, we want to be very, very intentional, more than ever, about making sure that spiritual development is going on if someone joins a guest services team or any kind of team that they join. And so that way it kind of simplifies the target, quite honestly. Complexity kind of goes away. We want all of our teams to be discipling experiences. And so it's kind of simple to understand when you really think of it that way. And so that's why we did it. We wanted something that was clean. We're getting more complex. We're getting larger. And so it really can help, if we'll do it right, with the weaknesses that we've had from depth all the way through consistency.